Hi guys, welcome to Run Run Deals. Today we're going to be reviewing this Cosori air fryer. I love it. This is my favorite one so far. I've had others in the past, but this one is just amazing. It's super small, compact, so it's perfect. I make a lot of the kids' meals in here, so this is just enough. I love it. It's so easy to work and easy to pull it out, pull it back in. It has the tray that comes out, so that way easy to wash as well. So really nice. It works so fast and easy to to do it. You just turn it on, and then you can choose between air fry, bake, roast, or reheat. And then you've got the temperature up or down, and then also the timer, so you can do different times and then press start, and it goes. You want to pause it, just pause, take it out, and push it back in and press play again, and it'll start. It's on and you do not hear it, so this is really silent. It's a 48 decibel air fryer, and it works super fast on cooking your meals, so this is great. I highly recommend it. Like I said, it doesn't occupy space, and it's just the right amount of space for you to cook in, so it's basically good for like your portion. If you do like portion controls too, this is perfect. So I highly recommend it, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.